Yes, good morning, students. As we are doing excretion and osmoregulation, and in the last lecture, we have done up to nitrogenous bases and their differences. So now the next topic is gout. Gout is the accumulation of uric acid crystals in the joints, or this condition is very painful. Means accumulation इकट्ठे हो जाना यूरिक एसिड क्रिस्टल्स का इन द जॉइंट। सो उसके लिए क्या होता है, बॉडी पेन करती है, जॉइंट्स में पेन रहती है। नेक्स्ट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक, excretory structures in different animal groups. We have a large animal kingdom on the earth. Basically each and every organism is specialized for its organs. So excretory organs are different in different organisms. First is protozoa, for example amoeba and paramecium. There is cell membrane in the amoeba and paramecium for the excretory process. Next is flatworm, or we can say platyhelminths. They have flame cell in the body through which excretion occur. Next is aschelminths, rennet cells, or we can say H-shaped excretory canal. This is H-shaped excretory canal which is known as rennet cell in aschelminths. Next, annelida. Annelids have nephridia. Then insects. Insects is our insect group is having large diversity on the earth. बहुत सारे insects होते हैं हमारे पास, और ये animal kingdom का सबसे बड़ी phylum है, that insecta, and they have malphizian tubules as a excretory organ. Next is crustacean. Crustacean means prawn, crayfish that have green glands for excretory process. Next, vertebrates. Vertebrates means mammals that have kidney for their excretory process. So next is human excretory system. Basically human excretory system is having some principal excretory organs and some accessory excretory organs. Principal excretory organs are kidney, and accessory excretory organs are skin, lungs, liver, large intestine. So principal excretory organ is kidney, and in kidney urine is excreted out, in which salt, extra water, extra ions that are present in the salt, which can be excreted out from the body with the help of kidney. Accessory excretory organs means other than urine they can secrete other waste material from the body, like skin. Skin is the largest excretory organ of the body, and it has two type of glands. One is sweat gland and second is oil gland. In sweat, body is having extra water and salt that has to be excreted out, and in oil, sebum, or we can say something sticky like substance that have to be released from the body or pores. Next, lungs. We know in breathing process O2 is exhaled and CO2 is exhaled from the body. So lungs are excretory organs of the body because they helps in excretion of CO2 from the body. Next, liver. In the liver, ammonia, that is very toxic product, that is converted into urea. So urea cycle occur in the liver. So liver is also act as accessory excretory organ. Next, large intestine. We know feces, semi-solid material, that is a waste material released from the body through anus, and it occurs through the large intestine. Means skin, lungs, liver, large intestine, they all act as accessory excretory organs because skin release sweat and oil, and lungs release CO2 and some alcoholic substances from the body, and liver convert ammonia into urea, means toxic to less toxic product. And large intestine form feces, that is stool, semi solid material in the form of waste from the body. So these are human excretory organs. Principal excretory organ is kidney, and some accessory organs are skin, lungs, liver, and large intestine.